There's a breeze on the inlet, the water so clear, where the bush whispers songs that you'll always hear. Golden mornings light the path to the sea. Mallacoota's waiting, wild, warm and free.
It's a lake that reflects the endless sky, a place for your heart to come alive. From the river bends to the ocean shore, you'll never want for anything more. Oh, come alive where the water shines. Feel the rhythm, leave the world behind. Every sunrise paints the life you'll find in Mallacoota, where the stars align. There's music in the cafes, laughter in the air, bowls on the green or around played with care. Fishing lines in the inlet, waves call the brave. Here every moment feels beautifully made. Evenings glow by the fireplace light, the spa on the deck under endless night. Feel the warmth of a life that flows in Mallacoota, where the good times grow. Oh, come alive where the water shines. Feel the rhythm, leave the world behind. Every sunset paints the life you'll find in Mallacoota, where the stars align. Shimmer, rivers wide, beaches where the waves collide. Winter fires, summer tides, peaceful days where your dreams reside. Coonara calls, you never divide. Oh, come alive where the water shines. Feel the rhythm, leave the world behind. Every sunrise paints the life you'll find in Mallacoota, where the stars align. Mallacoota calls me home. Mallacoota, where your spirit roams.